Essential skills for rank and rent mastery. Ashton James's course equips students with a diverse skill set essential for excelling in the rank and rent arena. These skills go beyond simply building websites, they encompass the entire digital marketing spectrum. 1. You'll learn how to do keyword research, uncovering high-value keywords that drive targeted traffic, and also how to do market research. 2. You'll learn on-page optimization, crafting website content and meta descriptions that resonate with search engines and users alike. 3. You'll learn off-page optimization, building a strong backlink profile to enhance your website's authority. 4. You'll become an expert in local SEO strategies, optimizing your sites to dominate local search results. 5. You'll learn content marketing, creating valuable, engaging content that attracts and converts your target audience. 6. You'll learn how to do website analytics, tracking key metrics to measure website performance and make data-driven decisions. 7. We'll teach you client communication and management, building strong client relationships based on transparency and results, even if you're an introvert. These are highly sought-after skills in today's digital landscape that you can use in other areas of the digital marketing world. Even if you choose to explore other online ventures, the knowledge gained through this course will serve you well. Projecting your income, the potential of rank and rent. While individual results may vary, the income potential with rank and rent can be substantial. Let's break down a potential 3-year projection. Let's assume you build and rent just one website every month, and that you rent each website for $1,500 per month, and that you build and rent an additional 12 sites every year to add to your portfolio of digital assets. Year 1, rent 12 sites at $1,500 per month, which equals $18,000 per month, or $216,000 per year. Year 2, rent 24 sites at $1,500 per month, which equals $36,000 per month, or $432,000 per year. Year 3, rent 36 sites at $1,500 per month, which equals $54,000 per month, or $648,000 per year. Remember, these are just projections. At Ashton James, we rent websites from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars a month each. Your actual earnings will depend on factors such as niche selection, marketing efforts, and client acquisition skills. However, this projection illustrates the incredible income potential that rank and rent offers. Niche selection. Finding your profitable path. Choosing the right niche is paramount to your success in the rank and rent business. Our course will teach you to master the system and understand that the ideal niche is profitable, in demand, and has low competition. You'll learn to consider these factors when selecting a niche. Profitability. Focus on niches where businesses are willing to pay a premium for leads and online visibility. Demand. Choose niches with a consistent demand for the products or services offered. Competition. Opt for niches with manageable competition, making it easier to rank your websites. You'll learn how to conduct thorough research, analyze industry trends, and identify niches that align with your interests and skills. This will set the foundation for a successful and sustainable rank and rent business. Building your digital property website creation for rank and rent. Building high-quality websites is the cornerstone of the rank and rent model. But if you don't know how or don't want to learn how to build websites, we provide 4 options in our course. 1. Learn to build them from scratch. 2. We have templates for hundreds of different niches. Just choose the template you need and customize it to the customer and market. 3. Let our AI tool build it for you. Or 4. We can build them for you for a minimal fee. These websites serve as your digital properties, attracting clients and generating passive income. Here's a breakdown of what you'll learn in our course about the website creation process. 1. Keyword and market research. Identify relevant keywords that potential customers are using to search for businesses in your chosen niche, and identify the right market for you to succeed. 2. Content creation. Develop high-quality, informative, and engaging content that targets your chosen keywords. 3. On-page SEO. Optimize your website's structure, meta tags, and content to rank higher in search engine results pages. 4. Off-page SEO. Build backlinks from other reputable websites to enhance your site's authority and credibility. Remember, your website is your online storefront. Make it visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. Local SEO strategies dominating search results. Local SEO is crucial for attracting local clients to your rank and rent websites. This involves optimizing your online presence to rank higher in local search results. List your business in reputable online directories and local business listings to boost your online visibility. By implementing effective local SEO strategies, you'll ensure that your websites appear prominently when potential clients search for relevant products or services in their local area. Don't wait, the time to take action is now. Scaling your business, growing your rank and rent empire. Once you have a few successful rank and rent websites generating consistent income, it's time to scale your business. This involves expanding your reach and maximizing your earning potential. Here are some effective scaling strategies. 1. Expanding to new niches and markets. Identify and target new profitable niches to diversify your portfolio and attract a wider range of clients. 2. Increasing website count. 2. Build and rank more websites to increase your inventory of digital properties. 3. Outsourcing tasks. Delegate tasks, such as website design, content creation, and SEO to the experts at Ashton James Marketing and Web Development, freeing up your time to focus on high-level business activities. Remember, scaling your business should be a strategic and well-planned process. By taking a measured approach, you can ensure sustainable growth and maximize your long-term success in the rank and rent industry. Don't wait. The time to take action is now. Enroll in our Rank and Rent course today and take your first step towards financial freedom.